For today's project, I will show you how to make a simple piece of Halloween decor. For this project, I used the wooden block, my cutting machine, my design, the cutting tools, paint, and a paintbrush. Start by painting the block with several coats of paint. While the block dries, remove the excess material from your design. I used some transfer tape to apply the design to the front of the block. Place on your mantle or display in your office. I added a few more Halloween pieces to complete the look. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.